Okay, might be hard to read my scratching in green, but finally located the error. It just would not work out with what we have here, but the problem's over here. And very, very simple algebra. If v equals y to the, okay, what we have now? We have the Bernoulli equation, y prime plus p of t y equals q of t. I didn't have room to write the t because I had to slip in the q of t times y to the n. This is of the form of a first order linear equation, except you've got this y to the n here. Turns out we're going to be able to fix that. Okay, so this is what we call a Bernoulli equation. We can convert this equation to a first order linear equation by change of variable. Change the variable from y to v, where v equals y to the m. Now there's one specific value of m that's going to have the effect of eliminating the v term that you're going to end up with over here. And then the equation becomes a linear equation in v. Okay, well, if we do this, clearly the derivative is, y to the m times y to the m minus 1 times y prime. Very straightforward. Cross something out here that I probably shouldn't have, because then I wrote this down and it was wrong and everything went downhill from here. Moved along very nicely, but then it just didn't work out. Pieces didn't fall into place. Well, that's because this isn't right. Okay, we have v prime equals m y to the m minus 1 times y prime. And y is just going to be v to the 1 over m. So I can replace y with v to the 1 over m. And I also, okay, in this step, I divided through by the my to the m minus 1. Okay, so y prime is going to be v prime over m, y to the m minus 1. Y is v to the 1 over m. So y to the m minus 1 is v to the 1 over m to the m minus 1. So we end up with y prime equals v prime over m, v to the m minus 1 over m. Now, I imagine that might be difficult to read. But if we then bring the v up into the numerator and do the reciprocal, yeah, that does look valid. Here I'm talking about my pre-calculus classes about laws of exponents, and I did the reciprocal of the exponent, not the reciprocal of v to the m minus 1 over m. So again, I'm going to have to stop. Maybe we discard this, maybe we don't.